Well, hello my beautiful wildflowers. Today I got out and I'm gonna try to vlog for you guys the California coast. I am on A1A over in what we call Half Moon Bay, and so I'm at the ocean and it looks like a really scary day. Hold on, let me show you. And as you can see, there's some cars racing. It looks like a couple of Porsches and some Ferraris. Yep, nothing new. And here it is. It's a beautiful waves. I mean, look at that. It's just so crazy. I mean, I'm surprised we don't have surfers out here. And these are areas that people normally surf, but it looks like it's too vicious today. So I'm gonna see if I can get closer to the ocean. I don't want to like get sucked in or anything like that, so I just don't want to get too close, but I want to get as close as to the edge as possible so you guys can see actually the ocean. And so here it is. Wow, look at that. And it's not even windy as you would imagine because the waves are so bad, but can you hear it? So anyway, I'm feeling a little bit of a spray here, so let me go ahead and see if I can turn you around. And you can see the ocean in the background. And there's, you know, a few people out here, but not very many. And here comes some birds. I mean, beautiful. I don't know if I'm picking up the birds. I mean, I'm looking at like a less than a 2-inch screen at you guys, so I think I see the birds. Okay, so here it is. Oh my. Well, welcome to California. But the good thing is there's not a tons of people out here, and I think if it was a beautiful blue day, we would see a heck of a lot more people because it is really nice and people are really cooped up. And I chose a day like today to come out, even though I haven't been out for a long time, is because I don't want to be around people, to be honest with you, and I want to be really careful. I have family members in Florida right now that are actually in a hospital because of COVID. So yeah, it hit pretty close to home now, and I'm kind of worried about them. But you know, we need to all stay safe. So here we go. Beautiful. So let me see if I can do a 360 here for you guys, and so you can see pretty much what I'm looking at. And here we go. And I think my husband's on the picnic table back there having his muffin for the morning because I won't let him eat in my car. So here we go. And there you go. Okay. So, okay, going back the other way. Yeah. Wow. I'm getting dizzy now. So, okay, you guys, I just wanted to give you a quick look, and if I stop anywhere, you know, more interesting along the way, because what I'm doing is I'm just driving along the coast. So, anyway, I need to get going. So, I'll talk to you guys soon. Hello my beautiful wildflowers, it's Alexis again, and we've stopped at one more spot which I think is really nice, and I wanted to give you guys a look. I don't know if you can just hear, I mean, the sounds of the ocean really so loud and so beautiful though, so majestic. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn you around and kind of let you see the ocean without my face being in the way. So hold on one second. Okay, there we go. And that little island seems to be, there we go. It's almost like a bird island, you know, where all the birds kind of like congregate. And there's some very nice, I mean, scenery here. I mean, it is gray, but I just love this beautiful ocean. And also, if you can notice, I mean, the sky, I think the blue is trying to break through, but not quite. There we go. And as you can see, I mean, these are not sand, they're actually pebbles. Oh, look, we have a little visitor right here. I'm trying to pay attention here because I am on the edge here. And I don't want to fall over the edge. Would not be good. Oh, and look at this. The powerfulness of this water. Wow. So beautiful. Okay, guys. That's it for now. And I will see if I can get a little more for you. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. Here I am. I stopped at Pigeon Point, which is a historic landmark here for California. And so let me see if I can pull you in a little bit closer so that way you can see the actual landmark, the Pigeon Point Lighthouse. Hold on. Okay. Okay, there we go. You have in front of you, this is the actual landmark, and it is a lighthouse for, it's a location called Pigeon Point, and it's actually old. You can't go into it anymore. At one point you could. I remember when I first came to California in the early 2000s that, you know, you could actually go there, but now it's kind of become a historic landmark, but it's not as safe, I think. I think that's the case. I'll have to look it up because it's been a long time since I've been here. But I wanted to go ahead and just pull over and give you a shot of that. But it's actually very beautiful, as you notice. And, you know, this is the California coastline. And this is Northern California. This is not, you know, anywhere near LA or anything like that. They have their own really unique, beautiful landmarks as well. But as you can see, yeah, it's such a beautiful day. It's kind of ethereal. Is that the word? Ethereal look to it. And, you know, it's just like really gorgeous day. And so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you out again so you can see it like in a distance. It's actually not as far as it looks like. It looks like maybe from where I'm standing, it's about half a mile. So, but I wanted you guys to take a look at it and see. And so, yeah, here we are. And then what I did was I was able to just park right across the street. Well, not across the street, but right across the way. And so here we go. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I think that's probably going to be it for today because we're going to probably get in the car and head towards home now. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I'm going to head home now. And so I hope you really enjoyed it. It's a very short clips, but you know, it is what it is. I was able to get out and not see anybody else. So it was pretty good. So remember, have a good week and I will see you soon. Remember, don't sweat the small stuff. Bye-bye.